Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's adventure, I am taking you to Jollywood nights at Hollywood Studios, and I am staying at the glorious Dolphin Hotel. So let's do it. Time. I am so excited. We are going to Jollywood nights. I had a phenomenal time at that party last year, and we stayed at the Dolphin. I'm doing it again. It's now becoming a bit of a tradition, which I am totally here for. And we are starting our day checking in, which we already did on the mobile app. It was super easy. And we are headed to Rosa Mexicano for lunch. So let's do it. The last time I was here, I had the queso burrito tacos. I had those again. I totally forgot to take a picture because I scarfed them down with my fiance too fast. So, we also ordered the chicken flautas. That was amazing. The food here is so good. Swan and Dolphin food is like next level. Like, there's a lot of Disney restaurants that are amazing, but I am telling you, this level of chef and restaurant they got going on here, from Shula's to Blue Zoo to Rosa Mexicano to all of the restaurants over at the Swan, it is really, really next level dining. Beautiful stuff. So I had a great lunch. We're gonna chill for a little bit, relax with my trusty little snowman right here. Dolphin, yes! I mean, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, there's like people in boats. Like, you can rent those. It's so fun. We've done that before. That was really, really fun. You can rent those from the yacht club. And you can just take them and tootle around. So, sorry, I got distracted. But this is the Dolphin. I love, love, love this hotel. Weirdly enough, I've stayed at the Dolphin many times. I have never stayed at the Swan. I don't know why. I think I've tried before, but it's like, I don't know why. I just feel like I can never get in there, which is weird. But the views from this hotel are so amazing. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. I'm on the 4th floor, so I'm kind of, I think this is the lowest floor for rooms. Oh no, there's some lower than me. It's so beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm in like the front building too. So the buildings go kind of in rows all the way back. This is amazing. I'm in the front. I don't think I've ever had this before, but it's so accessible to obviously Epcot and very accessible to Hollywood Studios. So, and right there you can see the boardwalk. I mean, it's just lovely. So technically this is not a Disney hotel. This is a Marriott hotel. So if you have Marriott Bonvoy or Marriott Points or anything, that all works here. So, but I love the views from this hotel. The restaurants in this hotel are amazing, and the convenience to Hollywood Studios is incredible because the boat stops here, so it's perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna relax in the room for a moment, then we're gonna jump on the boat, go to Hollywood Studios, and enjoy Jollywood nights. Let's do it.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting.
And just like that, we're at Jollywood nights. The sun hasn't gone down yet. It hasn't really started. Dean Martin's screaming at me right now. So we're having a little aperitif to start the night. And it's about to start in about an hour.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter.
So it doesn't quite pay to get here too early for the party. Literally nothing is really happening until 7. And the park is very full with lots of people kind of like ending their day. So we're not really going to do anything for about an hour or so. Stuff does not start until 7. Snope does, apparently. There is a Fantasmic, so yeah, we're just gonna chill and just relax and wait for the festivities to begin. And in we go. After Fantasmic. Our favorite YouTuber.
Oh, thank you so much.
Great job you do. We love you.
Where are you guys starting tonight? What's your
We are headed right to the Brown Derby.
Brown Derby?
Yeah. Just a little appetizer and such. Where are you starting?
I don't know. Show's not here? Huh? Show is not here?
our first stop of the night is going to be one of my most favorite places on the planet Earth, which is the Brown Derby. Outside, sitting here, gorgeous, Christmas time, Jollywood nights. The people watching is amazing at Jollywood nights because people get so dressed up. It's so wonderful. It's so much fun to just sit right out here, get to watch everyone pass by. The music is going, the lights are on. So we just watched Fantasmic. That was super fun. It was beautiful. We actually ran into Ron on the Go, who is, shout out to him. Love his channel. He does amazing live streams and vlogs. Love him. So that was super fun, and now we are headed into the Brown Derby for some beautiful appetizers and cocktails, and just to relax and wait for the party to really get going. Getting ready to watch the ice skater show. This is the new show for this year. I can't wait. I love ice skating. So yes, had a fabulous time at the Brown Derby. Food, fantastic. Those pork belly buns, we ordered them twice. Amazing. We had the hamachi, we had a shrimp cocktail, and we had the other thing. Not memorable. But yes, that was delicious. So one of my favorite spots to start the whole night. But now, ice skating. Let's do it. We are about to head into Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We love the ice skating show. I thought that was really fun. Like, it's kind of a perfect, like, just tone and everything for this party. Like, it's old school, it's fun, there's lots of lip syncing, there's great ice skating, dancing. Great job. I like it. I like it. It's a good addition. What do you think?
I thought it was fantastic.
Pretty good. So we had a fantastic time at Jollywood Nights. We did Rise of the Resistance, we did Millennium Falcon, we did Mickey and Minnie's, we did some rides, you know, some ice skating show. So I've done my Nightmare Before Christmas, I've done the Muppet Show before, so this was so fun. It's just really chill, but it's so nice to see this park almost just so empty. It's so great to have it to yourself, but it is so festive. It really gets you in the spirit of Christmas, and I just love it. I will definitely be back again. the Dolphin. Look at this view. Isn't this it's just so gorgeous. These rooms overlooking the water, watching the boats. It's so lovely. We had so much fun last night. I love that event. That event, and I know a lot of people have said this, it's very relaxing. Like you don't feel really pressured to run around and do a million things. We just indulged and relaxed. Like I just wanted to be at that table at the Brown Derby and just people watch. Everyone is so dressed up. Everyone's having a great time. Everyone's looking great and festive and Christmassy, and it's so cute. But that was so lovely. I love just sitting out there. That's kind of my favorite thing to do. Then we went to the ice skating show. That was really cute. I think it's a perfect thing. It fits right into the aesthetic and the tone of that night and that kind of like 1940s, 50s style Christmas extravaganza holiday celebration. I loved it. That was really fun. I don't know how they do that because I don't think that's ice. I think it's that plastic stuff, which is really hard. So kudos to them. They did a great job. It's just so cute. And then we've seen the Muppets one before. We've seen Nightmare Before Christmas, so we thought we'd do some rides then. We did Mickey and Minnie's. We did Rise of the Resistance and, of course, Smuggler's Run, which we love, and we were driving. Not such a great job there. I will say at the end of the night, we were very, very tired. I will say I love staying here, and I love, I did this last year. But I have to say the walk, so they shut the boats down. I think they shut the boats down at like 9 o'clock, maybe 10. But anyway, the party goes later than the boats, and everybody kind of knows that. That was a really long walk at the end of the night, and we were already just exhausted when we left the park. So just keep that in mind. I think there's a bus. I'm almost positive there is. So. But that's always kind of like at the end of the night, you're waiting for a bus. I don't know if you want to do that. But just keep that in mind if you're going to stay at one of these hotels. They do shut that very convenient boat service down. And it is quite a trek at the end of the night. It's only just because it's the end of the night. Normally it's a beautiful walk. It's perfectly fine. But at the end of the night, we were like really kind of like, gosh, I can't wait to get back to the room. But other than that, that was a perfect night, and I loved it. I will 100% be back next year. It's just a great event. It's super fun, and I love that they do it. So, I want to thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you soon.